Hello! Today we're going to look at how to make a banjo from an embroidery hoop. You will need an embroidery hoop. If you don't have one of these in your house, and I didn't, they can be bought very cheaply from a craft shop. You'll also need some elastic bands, and some optional things are paint, pens, pencils, and other things with which to decorate your banjo. Step 1, and this is optional. Separate the two hoops by unscrewing them. Decorate the two hoops using paint, pens, pencils, stickers, or whatever you like. Step 2. Take the smaller middle hoop and stretch your elastic bands across it. Banjos tend to have 6 strings, so you may want to copy this. Or you may want to stretch as many elastic bands across the middle hoop as you can. Step 3. Lastly, re-screw the outer hoop back onto the middle hoop. Your banjo is ready to play. Have a look at the professionals do it. We've sent out a link this week to the Irish musician Fergal O'Hanlon playing 3 bluegrass fiddle tunes on the banjo, sat in front of a small castle. Enjoy!